It's Sean. I'm working on this here shotgun. This will be part 2 and hopefully the final part, but trying to get some of the scoring out of it and the rust off of it. Yeah. It's been treated pretty poorly. It's a brand new shotgun. The bore is perfect in it. It's never seen, I don't even think it's seen a box of shells yet. But look at that. Something set against it or whatever and it got rusted, so I'm going to clean it up and see what we can do. I did get all the rest of the parts gathered. That part right there is that part that we left off on last time. Got it done. It's black. There's the forestock, the butt plate, and the actual rest of it. I'm going to wait till the weather gets a little warmer and we're going to take care of this problem here. But I want, if I put anything in there, I want it to get good, hard, and dry. And we're damp and wet, or damp and cold right now, so I'm going to wait on that. May redo the whole stock later. Right now I'm getting it together, and we'll bring you back. Well, there she is, guys. All back together. Like I said, later on when it gets warmer weather, I'm going to redo the stock and the forearm, because this is a new old stock and it's darker than this, I think. Not much, but some. But the barrel is a lot better. Did get the rust off of it. I tried to blue it some, but I ran out of blue. Now I'm going to oil the dickens out of it. But yeah, she's back together and not too bad. You know, this part of it works good. So yeah, so that part we made on the mill works great in the hinge here. So not bad. She looks better than she did. Alright, take care, guys. Love you all. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.